I had a little collagen mustache, right? Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Danielle. Today is day 1 of my collagen challenge. I'll see you in a bit. I've been pushing work all summer. Alright guys, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell right now so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. Alright, so let's dive into this video. Today is day number 1 of a 30-day challenge. So I will be taking this collagen, and this is Super Collagen, the Neocell Super Collagen, and I will be taking this for 30 days, and today is number 1. Now guys, as you all are quite aware, it's best to take collagen with vitamin C, but the last time I did this challenge was about 1.5 years to 2 years ago. I had a minor reaction, a few rashes appeared around my eye and just around my face area, and I don't want that to happen. I will be doing this challenge and I will alternate between water and juice and maybe tea or some other types of things. In case you are not familiar with collagen, collagen is known, also known as the fountain of youth. With elasticity of our skin, helps with fine lines and wrinkles, and it just helps us to grow hair, nails, and nice skin. What happens as we age, our body tends to not to produce as much collagen as you once did when you were younger, and that's why it's such a buzz with collagen, and everybody's trying to figure out what can I do to continue to look youthful, right? What I love about this Neocell Super Collagen is that it is tasteless, it's colorless, and it's odorless. I love that because it's nothing like adding something to your drink and it tastes not so good, right? And let's jump into this. As I mentioned, I will be mixing this with a little bit of water. And there is a scoop in your container already, but I have my little measuring scoops going on right here. I know which one is going to be the correct measurement, so I'm going to use this instead. Simple and easily this was to dissolve. I mean, it is just effortlessly. And if you've tried other collagens before, then you were familiar with some of them that tend to cake up and just begin to just be such a mess to try to dissolve. This one, look at this. This is wonderful. Okay, day 1, let's begin. I had a little collagen mustache, right? Alright, here's to day 1 of my collagen challenge, and I will pop in once a week and let you know how it's going. If I'm noticing anything strange going on, I will let you know right away. In addition to that, I'm gonna try to mix this in with some types of smoothies and other recipes. I have this perfect celery juice. I'm probably gonna mix that in with my celery juice and my apples and see how it dissolves in that. And I'm just gonna, you know, take this and I'm just going to try to change it up a little bit every so often. That's it. Thanks for tuning in with me today, and this is day 1 of my 30-day challenge. I will see you on my next video when I talk more about this and when I share my opinion. That's it for today, guys. Remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share this video with a friend or two. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Switches until next time. Ciao.